everyone and welcome back to my channel, and as promised here I am with a Myntra haul for all of you guys. However, I have few thoughts which I would like to share with you all in this video regarding Myntra, because I've been a loyal and regular customer of Myntra for so many years and I've shopped a lot, which is why I formed a certain opinion about Myntra which is definitely good, which is why Shein and Myntra were my go-to websites. तभी तो मैं इतना शॉप करती थी. But now after this haul and during this time at the moment, I have changed my opinion about Myntra. You will know the reasons why definitely in this video. For that you'll have to watch the video like पूरी की पूरी. I won't share the main information starting में, नहीं तो फिर देखोगे क्या यार. But anyways, let's just start with the video, and don't forget to like this video, share this video, subscribe to my channel and comment down below. जो भी करना हो कर देना. But let's start with the first item from the haul, and we'll of course start with the least priced item from the whole haul, and which are these flats from Cook and Quiche. These are pink and blue checked flats. It's a size bigger for me and I have already requested for an exchange. तो जब तक वो आ रही हैं तब तक I'll show you the bigger one only. These were priced at around MRP is 1099, but I got a flat discount of 70%, which is why I was able to buy these at a price of 309 rupees, which is a good deal of course. Considering the quality is actually good. Sole काफ़ी soft है, काफ़ी अच्छा. It's good for casual days, normal days, जहाँ पर आपको normal चप्पल या फिर normal you don't want to wear shoes और बीच की बात होती है, तो I feel like these kind of casual flats do work really well. But हाँ, why I have decided to change, ये बड़े ऐसे नहीं, it's just that ये strap थोड़ी सी loose है मेरे लिए. My size I ordered in Euro 41, जो आई फील है पता नहीं मैंने क्यों ऑर्डर कर दिया इतना बड़ा साइज़. बट एनीवेज मैंने अब छोटा साइज़ का ऑर्डर कर दिया, एक्सचेंज आ जाएगा जल्दी ही. And the next thing I bought is this top from Oxalozo in size small, pink and purple top. Now this is a very summery kind of top, very light top. Cloth is polyester, but the only thing I don't like about this top is not its color, not its like its style. It looks actually good on my body type and it suits my body. Fitting काफ़ी अच्छी है. I just don't like how this one feels. Like it feels like थोड़ा सा cheap kind of cloth. Though of course I paid 329 for this top. MRP was 599 rupees. मेरे को around 55 का I think discount इसमें मिला था, 35 का discount मिला था. I got it for 329 rupees, which is okay for the price. Top सही है, but still I feel like थोड़ा सा सस्ती मद्दी सी cheap सा quality इसको लग रहा है. But पहन के अच्छा लग रहा है तो I will keep it. अगर पहन के नहीं अच्छा लगता, I would have surely returned this top for sure. And the next top I bought is this one from Here and Now, the one I'm wearing right now. It's beautiful top. I like its colors. I'm in the size small. The cloth is polyester, but it's not irritable at all. It's very comfortable. And if you're someone who likes wearing crop tops, then this is the one you should definitely buy, because it looks so good. Like it looks expensive kind of top. Not just looks, but it also feels one. This one retails for I think 11.99, but I got flat 70% discount and I got it for 383 rupees. Yes, this top for 383 rupees. It's so damn worth it. मतलब I don't wear crop tops, तो I'm like पता नहीं मैं पहनूंगी नहीं पहनूंगी के बाद. But still, if you're someone who likes wearing crop tops, then definitely buy this top. Quality काफ़ी अच्छी है, देखने में तो अच्छा लगेगा या pictures में and videos में. So yeah, the next top I bought is this one from Oxalozo. I bought in size small. Now this piece is something I was hesitating to buy. One of the reasons was of course ये कैसा लग रहा है, was little like it's not my kind of style. Plus अगर 500 से ऊपर कोई भी टॉप होता है ना, अगर कोई भी चीज़ होती है, I think like twice the amount. 10 बार तो मैं वैसे सोचती हूँ और इसके लिए तो 20 बार सोचना था. But anyways, now that I've received it, I am in love with this and it's so worth it. 500 से ऊपर का है. This one I got for 562. It retails for $12.49, but I got a discount of 55% and it's so worth it. This top, it's like, it's a very unique kind of top, different from everything. If you want to have that, you know, one style statement in, you know, in your wardrobe, then this is the top you should definitely go for. Not just the style of it or, you know, how unique it is, the cloth is also very, very good. It looks like silk and it feels also like silk. Very good. You know, 1/3 sleeves, loose kind of top, small size hai fir bhi, but I really like this top. It's worth it. Next, I bought a kurti for my mom, and this is from a brand called Napra. It's size XL, of course, mummiyon ka size. But anyways, this is a very elegant and beautiful kurti. It has sleeves, 1/4 sleeves, embroidery has silk, sleeves पे भी thread work in front. आगे पीछे और कहीं भी कोई वर्क नहीं है. वेरी सिंपल कुर्ती, बट आई रियली लाइक इट. नॉट जस्ट इन पिक्चर, इन पर्सन ऑल्सो. नाउ दैट आई रिसीव इट, मुझे काफ़ी अच्छी लगी. इट्स अ काइंड ऑफ लाइक वेरी एलिगेंट पार्टी वेयर कुर्ती, एंड फॉर द प्राइस दैट आई पेड, इट्स सो वर्थ इट. इट रिटेल्स फॉर $14.99, बट आई थिंक 70% डिस्काउंट चल रहा था, एंड आई गॉट इट फॉर ₹569. Can you believe it? This kurti for ₹569. Now, of course, मेरी मम्मी का ओपिनियन अलग है. She is someone who likes wearing cotton, तो she is like कि कॉटन की कुर्ती नहीं तो मुझे पसंद नहीं आने वाली. But I am like कि नहीं, पहन के तो देखो, it will look beautiful on you too. This cloth is crepe, not polyester, crepe, but still she is like कि मुझे कॉटन ही चाहिए. But anyways, because I bought it, she will of course wear this kurti. मैंने लाई है यार, she will wear it. So yeah, if you're someone who is like not cringy about cotton and stuff, so definitely give this kurti a try. It's a very, very beautiful kurti. So that's it with the haul. A very small haul. I mean, like not in the budget. मेरा budget 2000 के around था, and everything ये 2000 से ऊपर का ही आया है. And that's the thing. That's my reason. Okay, here is the answer why I am thinking of not buying from Myntra, because there are other websites, like if you've seen my Ajio haul, मैंने सब कुछ 300 के अंदर दिया, and here मेरा सब कुछ 300 से ऊपर था. Why? Because 300 से कम का कुछ था ही नहीं यार Myntra पे. It's not that I don't like the quality that or the clothes that I bought, the pieces I bought, they are good. Customer service was also good, delivery was also good. 3 दिन के अंदर सब कुछ आ गया. But affordability is one of the मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट फैक्टर्स. और मुझे जहाँ पर कहीं पर 300 या फिर बेटर डील्स, और इट्स नॉट दैट कि वो 300 में ख़राब टॉप्स थे, दे वर इक्वली गुड क्लोथ्स. तो अगर मुझे वो मिल रहा है तो वाई वुड आई पे मोर एंड बाय स्टफ. इट्स नॉट दैट मिंत्रा पे डील्स अच्छी नहीं थी. आई गॉट 3 थिंग्स फॉर फ्लैट 70% डिस्काउंट, विच इज़ ग्रेट, यू नो. बहुत अच्छी डील्स थी. बट इट्स लाइक कि 300 से कम में भी मुझे मिल रहा है, एंड इट्स नॉट 300 में चीप क्वालिटी मिल रही है, अच्छी क्वालिटी मिल रही है. तो why would I spend more? Again, I'm saying this again that Myntra ki I was a very loyal customer, and I still am. I feel whenever someone used to ask me कोई clothing online store बता, you always used to say Myntra is the best one, go for it. And I still remember जब Shein बंद हुआ था, I was like कि Myntra उसकी जगह लेगा. But it's like Ajio has changed the game altogether. Ajio is winning here. Myntra, I don't know what you guys have done. You are selling good deals, but Ajio is winning these days. That's what I feel. So yeah, that's just my sole reason of not. I don't think I will be buying from Myntra. अगर ऐसा ही डील्स मिली तो Ajio पे जब बेटर डील्स मिली हैं तो I will definitely go for Ajio. And that's it. That is my small kind of haul. मेरा कुछ रीज़न नहीं था small करने का, but हो गया. And yeah, I hope you like this haul, and if you did, don't forget to like. मैंने बोला नहीं, अपने आप देख लेना. And I'll see you later with another video. Until then.